At the end of phase 1 of vote counting, the Students' Welfare Party is leading by 714 votes. It is closely followed by Youngistan Party. The leader of SWP, along with his supporters, looks delighted with the initial lead. Certainly, SWP would want to maintain its initial lead till the end of the day and repeat the history. But it would be too early to comment on the final results, as it's for the first time in the history of Bharat University that the SWP has faced and is facing in such a close competition from the newborn parties. This is Nats with cameraman Sandeep for Campus Reporter.
Vote for DJ! Vote for DJ! Vote for DJ! Vote for DJ!
The of election date by our Vice Chancellor has triggered election mood on our campus. The scene behind me is going to be the usual scenario for the upcoming days. This year, the responsibility of representing Students' Welfare Party in the upcoming elections falls on our very own and very known wonder boy of the college, DJ.
DJ. Come on, that was 2 years ago, dude. Why does your mind go back to that football match when DJ thrashed you?
Because you keep reminding me of that. Anyways, I've got nothing against this DJ, but a lot against SWP.
What? You against SWP? Can you name a single party in our campus, even close to it?
That's because others didn't get equal opportunity. And let me tell you this, it's the leader, not the party, that makes difference. So many leaders which won just because they represented a strong party, not because of the kind of efforts they put in. Hence they didn't value their position.
You seem to have a point here. But do you know anyone who can stand against this DJ or SWP at present?
I know, it's you.
Yeah. And I will get just a single vote, yours. Because even I will vote for DJ.
Hello, I'm serious here. You know pretty well, if given a fair chance, you prove to be a far better leader than this DJ.
Maybe, but who is going to give me a chance? Leader is decided by votes, popularity, image, and DJ has it all. And in my case, hardly anyone knows me besides my batchmates.
Your batchmates not only know you, they admire you. And it's time to show these people how an election is contested, won, and how leaders serve its position.
Alright. How the name Youngistan suit on me, but I want to tell you why you all should not vote me to elect as your leader, your representative. If you want a yet another multi-cuisine restaurant in your campus, do not elect me. And do not waste your precious vote on me if you want your Wednesday to be a half working day and your compulsory attendance to be reduced to 60%. And I may not support you in getting AC, but yes, vote me if you want me to work with you in cooperation to get a fully IT-enabled campus. That is paying your canteen bills and getting issued your library books just by a card swipe. And you should vote me to get concession pass for city buses and getting direct bus connectivity to all nearby major cities. And vote me to open doors for students seeking part-time jobs in or off campus. And also, I seek your support in effectively using the barren areas of our campus for facilities like activity park, tech park, and cinema theaters in campus.
Superb! Our party strength increased from 6 yesterday to 42 now. We must plan our strategy ahead.
It's all planned here, man.
But at least you can tell us our next move.
Pass me the bottle here. Who will open it? So leave it.
DJ is planning a road show this Sunday. So his political part and seek student attention. You must do something big before this rally.
You should not use something that is already in traces, your brain. Keep it safe for party command and don't waste it in planning and forming strategies.
Dude, relax. I think we all must go to our rooms now.
Look at him. He's already acting like a king. I wonder what he will do once he wins the election, which anyway is impossible for him. Look at his attitude. That's a baseless attitude. The initial student support which you have got is necessary to compete. Remember that, okay?
And you should remember this.
Careful. Sit here. I'll get some time. Station.
It's not over now. Bastard. I will see now how he wins the election. I'm even ready to join SWP to destroy him.
Look, I'll talk to him. He'll apologize to you. Anyways, you know how oil becomes when we consume that bloody ethanol.
Enough. You are still defending him. even now.
I'm not defending him, and I'm not even going to retaliate against him because whatever happened today. You know, you, me, Arjun, and many others have a dream of change, a much needed change indeed. For that we have elected Arjun as our representative. And despite many odds and differences, we have to follow him for the common goal.
Certainly, we may have a common goal, but does that come with the precondition of having a choice of common leader? Why we always support Arjun when we have a more better and deserving candidate? Why?
I know you are a more known face than Arjun in our campus, but
hello, I'm not that young that I talk about that I consider myself as a leader.
then whom are you talking about?
I'm talking about you.
Me? I can't even address public properly, and you're talking me about being the leader.
You know what? You have made yourself slave of others' opinions and command. We know very well that how much sacrifice you do for us. Then why does it happen every time that you have to support Arjun? Why can't you have your own?
What are you saying?
What are you?
I will compete against Yangistan.
You are right. You have my full support.
Surely, by being in Yangistan and working for me.
Come, let's go to hospital.
Move away.
I apologize for last night. I was not in my control. The alcohol took over.
Yeah. So tell me that alcohol took over you. You vomited out whatever was in your mind.
Don't you give me a chance even to correct my mistakes. You wanted to be a leader, didn't you? No problem. I will step down. And you are the representative of Yangistan now.
It's not needed. In fact, I am also sorry for fulfilling what happened last night.
Hey Raghu, we just had a small catch up.
Good. You needed someone like your support when you lost.
Support? Lost? What? What are you talking? Be clear.
I am no more part of Yangistan. I am going to start my own.
It was madly attempted joke, but not that funny.
Sure, it surely will be when you will be defeated by me and my party.
Is this not your party?
I thought same, but it never was. Neither this party, not you.
Stop it! Stop it, you two! Raghu, what are you doing now? When we have sorted out why you are creating a new problem.
Shut up and stay away. Destined to be a mere follower throughout your life, but not me.
Fine. When you have made up your mind, go ahead.
What are you doing? You'll ruin everything.
And well, if you think that in your absence Yangistan will be weakened, it's your mistake. Yangistan is free from parasites now. And watch it. When your party becomes your enemy, the ball is very good.
Good job. But I want you to create more disputes between Raghu and Arjun so that they destroy each other before the voting day itself.
Don't worry. I'll make both of them fight against each other so that you can easily take the lead. But what I will get in return?
I heard your father runs a juice stall near the primary school. How about having that in our campus? Vote!
Today is a very shameful day in the history of Bharat University. The two new parties, Yangistan and Gen Next, during their roadshows had a each other, which turned into a physical fight. Dozens of people have been injured and immediately hospitalized. The leaders of both these parties, Arjun and Raghu, are charging allegations against each other on who started this fight. It's a big question mark on the credibility of both these parties.
Decades, SWP have been winning elections without any bloodshed. These milk-toothed kids have spoiled the campus environment. Both Yangistan and Gen Next do not deserve to be barred. Vote me to bar and I'll kick them out of the university.
With just a week left before a deserving candidate will be crowned, each party is leaving no stone unturned in pleasing the students, the voters. At this moment, both the newborn parties, Yangistan and Gen Next, are giving tough competition.
है प्रचंड बोल मस्तकों के झुंड आज जंग की घड़ी की तुम हार दो मान भान शान या की जान का हो दान आज एक धनुष के बाण पे उतार दो
We are spending money like water on advertisements, road shows, meetings and paying canteen bills to thousands of students. But still we are lagging behind. Why is that?
I can understand your position. I was in a similar situation when I was contesting for SWP 11 years ago. And now I'm a faculty and I have a soft corner for your party. I think I know the reason.
You know? What is that?
The reason is all of us. We have been taking SWP victory for granted. And as a result, we don't give a shit to the students. And so do the students. Everyone believes that SWP will win this time too. And they think that Their vote hardly matters for the SWP party.
But how come this is signal to worry?
Well, in the students' mind, SWP victory is fixed, and they don't want to waste their choices on it. Instead, they want their choices to have value in the victory or defeat against Arjun and what's his name, Raghu, and not SWP.
But don't you think SWP being an all-time favorite party among students will continue to do so hereafter also?
Fine, it was then, but now I doubt it. Because the way the elections are happening this time, I've never seen like something like this before. Fights, allegations, back-to-back campaigns and whatnot. So maybe these things made a shift in their focus.
Well, whatever it may be, I'm going to win this time around also. Listen you, I want you to create false allegations and accusations against Raghu.
Well, but why just against Raghu?
This will either spoil Raghu's image in the public and also for Arjun's image for being behind the whole plot. This will benefit us ultimately. What's it?
But you got to be careful. Well, do it soon then.
No, I don't want to do it right now because I don't want to give them any chance to have any defense against us. So we'll take some time for that.
Okay, that would be a masterstroke. My best wishes.
I overheard Nat talking to DJ. They're plotting against you to defame you, but I don't know their plot. Today, just 2 days before the campus election 2012, there's yet another googly in the election process. Raghu, the party leader of Gen X party, has withdrawn his name from the elections. Today morning, our campus reporter team got an email from Raghu confirming the same. He further writes, citing the reasons for this, he found some of his party members crossing the regulations of the college, and he, being the leader, has taken the entire responsibility. He further announces that he's going to stay away from the campus until the elections are over, so as not to influence the election, and a right and deserving candidate is being selected. This is Ria with cameraman Sandeep, campus reporter.
I first salute the spirit of the students in this year's student election 2012 and 13, and now I am going to announce the winner of this year's election, and it is Arjun, defeating his closest contestant DJ by 1061 votes.
Cute bought a plan, yaar.
It's we who did it.
Okay, now I've heard VC is gonna take action against me.
Don't worry, I'll take care of it within this week. Huh? Enjoy your holidays.
Okay, dude.